Good morning, friends. Friends, today I will discuss calories and romantic imaginations. Calories and romantic imagination in English literature in romantic is very important. And Collins in his literary biographia differentiated differentiated between fancy and imagination. Fancy and imagination is very important for examination point of view of UGC NET, CTET, HTET, and other state teacher recruitment selection boards for the examination. Many questions are repeated every year from this chapter. So let us start. In his Biographia Literaria, S.T. Coleridge makes a distinction between fancy and imagination. फैंसी एंड इमेजिनेशन में लिटरेरिया बायोग्राफिया में एस.टी. कॉलेज ने इन दोनों में अंतर स्पष्ट किया है. फैंसी फॉर कॉलेज इज ए लोअर फैकल्टी that is employed for tasks that are passive and mechanical. Fancy is related passive and mechanical task. It is employed for passive and mechanical task and it has been called a lower faculty. Next, fancy is concerned with the mechanical operation of the mind. Here, fancy is related with the mechanical operation of the mind, such as passive accumulation of data and storage of such data in memories. It is storage of data and data accumulation, only passive accumulation of data. But imagination, on the other hand, extracts hidden ideas. Here, imagination extracts hidden ideas, meaning from such data, and is a creative power. Imagination is a creative power, and fancy is only passive and mechanical, used only for passive and mechanical data, and operation of the mind, that is only mechanical operation of the mind. According to Coleridge, fancy has no other counter to play with, but it is fixities and definities. It has fixities and definities. फैंसी का कोई और दूसरा आधार नहीं है, कोई दूसरा काउंटर नहीं है. ये केवल फिक्सिटीज एंड डेफिनिटीज पर निर्भर करती है. द फैंसी इज इंडीड नो अदर देन ए मोड ऑफ मेमरी. ये मोड ऑफ मेमरी के सिवाय और कुछ नहीं है. इमेंसिपेटेड फ्रॉम द ऑर्डर ऑफ टाइम एंड स्पेस, it is blended with and modified by that empirical phenomena of will. Empirical phenomena of the will, empirical phenomena of the will. It is blended with the empirical phenomena of the will. Next, by that empirical phenomena of the will which we express by the word choice, and it is related by the word choice. It is only the mechanical operation of the mind, and it is also blended and modified by that empirical phenomena of the will which we express only choice. Fancy brings together images. Even when brought together, they continue to retain their individual properties. So fancy is also related to the individual properties. Next, the poet further divides imagination into two kinds. Here the poet Coleridge divided imagination into types, primary and secondary. Primary imagination is defined as the living power. Here primary imagination as the living power, and fancy is only the lower faculty, only the passive, not living, not active. Primary and living power and the primary agent of all human perceptions, whereas the secondary imagination is an echo of the former. Here primary imagination is the living power and secondary imagination is the echo of the former. It dissolves, dissipates and diffuses in order to recreate. ये रिक्रिएट करने के लिए ही डिजॉल्व, डिसिपेट एंड डिफ्यूज करती है. द सेकेंडरी इमेजिनेशन रिप्रेजेंटेड अ सुपीरियर फैकल्टी. यहाँ पर सेकेंडरी इमेजिनेशन को सुपीरियर फैकल्टी कहा है, जबकि फैंसी को कवि ने लोअर फैकल्टी कहा है. विच could only be associated with artistic genius. It is also be associated with artistic genius. Primary imagination is merely the power of perceiving impressions of eternal world through the senses. तो प्राइमरी इमेजिनेशन केवल पावर ऑफ परसीविंग है इम्प्रेशन के लिए, किसके लिए? ऑफ इटर्नल वर्ल्ड, इस शाश्वत संसार में जो इम्प्रेशन है उसको, प्रभाव को दिखाने के लिए ही प्राइमरी इमेजिनेशन केवल एक पावर का काम करती है. इट इज पोजेस्ड बाय एवरीवन, तो ये सभी के लिए पोजेस होती है. द सेकेंडरी इमेजिनेशन वर्क्स अपॉन व्हाट इज परसीव्ड बाय द प्राइमरी इमेजिनेशन. तो सेकेंडरी इमेजिनेशन भी इसी बात पर काम करते हैं कि प्राइमरी इमेजिनेशन ने क्या प्राप्त किया है. इट्स रॉ मटेरियल इज द सेंसेशन एंड इम्प्रेशन. इसका रॉ मटेरियल सेंसेशन एंड इम्प्रेशन है सप्लाइड बाय इट बाय द प्राइमरी इमेजिनेशन. तो प्राइमरी इमेजिनेशन सेकेंडरी इमेजिनेशन को रॉ मटेरियल सप्लाई करती है. तो ये ही डिफरेंस है सेकेंडरी एंड प्राइमरी इमेजिनेशन में, फैंसी एंड इमेजिनेशन में, अकॉर्डिंग टू कॉलेज. तो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक फॉर द एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. अगेन आई रिपीट, सो यू prepare the notes and be well for the examination. Thank you. Have a nice day and subscribe the channel if you like it.